Good morning, guys. This is Jason again from JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. We are today in Cherry Creek area in Denver, Colorado. I came here to this house 2 weeks ago, and immediately the customer booking the spot because they just bought this house in this area. Beautiful house, beautiful neighborhood. It's around 1,400 square feet. What we are gonna be doing a screen and recoat because they want to have the floor protected just right before to move all the furniture in. So let me flip it out the camera and show you guys what are we gonna be doing. All right, like I said, it's a beautiful neighborhood. It's one of the best here in Colorado, Cherry Creek area, very close from downtown. But anyway, guys, let me show you the wood that we have here. Like I said, it's 1,400 square feet what we have. And look at this. This floor is a beautiful one. It's not really in bad shape, but like I said, we are gonna be removing all the micro scratches, scuff mark, and giving, of course, another layer of protection to all this floor. Right here, the kitchen. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the project for today. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm back here, and look at this. Look at this floor. Of course, it's wet, but looks amazing. Over there, it's starting to get dry, as you can see. See the floor drying is the worst that you can do because looks like that is gonna be bad, but no. Look at this. It's amazing. Every day, everywhere over there is already drying, as you can see, and here as well. So this floor is come out so good. And now we are finishing the last room here, and that's it. So after this, just see the final result. All right, guys, I'm back here to the house to show you the final result that we got here. And look at this floor. Oh wow, it looks amazing, guys. Wow. Beautiful. Let's see here. Look at this. No micro scratches, no scuff line. So beautiful. All this here. All right, guys. If you want this kind of service, please don't hesitate in contact me at 720-327-1127, and we can give you an estimate to do this work. Alright guys, see you next time.